A Jedi Knight uses a lightsaber for good. Activate your lightsaber to help protect the galaxy. Lor San Tekka stares at Poe Dameron through the heat of a Jakku night. Suddenly, a loud burst breaks the desert stillness. It's the First Order. Stormtroopers march into the darkness as Kylo Ren's lightsaber gives off a menacing glow. Lor's message, safe inside Poe's droid BB-8. Will help the Resistance defend the galaxy against the new threat. Poe sends BB-8 into the desert and joins the battle. Activate your lightsaber to help Poe fight the First Order. A scavenger named Rey finds BB-8. She rescues the droid from another scavenger's net. BB-8 wants to travel with Rey. Desert life can get lonely, so Rey welcomes the company. She starts to sense something important about the little droid. The desert is a dangerous place. Be sure to have your lightsaber ready to help Rey and BB-8. BB-8 isn't alone in the desert. Stormtrooper Finn crashed his TIE fighter on Jakku. He deserted the First Order and is now fending for himself. He heads toward the only thing he can see, the trading post. Meanwhile, Rey takes BB-8 to the trading post to search for something to eat. The trading post boss, Uncle Plot, offers Rey a lot of food in exchange for BB-8. Rey feels that BB-8's friendship is priceless, so she turns down Uncle's offer. But Uncle won't take no for an answer. He sends his bullies to take BB-8 from Rey. A Jedi uses a lightsaber to defend, not attack. Use your lightsaber to help Rey defend BB-8. Finn joins Rey and BB-8 at the trading post. Then stormtroopers arrive. They want BB-8 too. A Jedi uses the Force to sense when blaster bolts will hit. Help Rey and Finn by deflecting the stormtroopers blasts with your lightsaber. Soon TIE fighters are screaming across the desert. Rey and Finn need an escape plan, so they head to Rey's village. Maybe one of the old ships there can get off the ground. It's their only hope.